to X Studio, and in today's video we are actually going to draw a 2-bedroom house with a study room, and that's actually a modern house. Alright, so please, if you haven't liked and subscribed to my channel, kindly do that, because that actually tells me you actually like what I'm doing on here. Don't forget to share and comment. Okay, alright, so without wasting much time, let's continue with today's agenda. Alright, so to draw our walls, we are now going to move on to our 2 palette and click our wall, because you actually know where to find that already. Okay, let me just turn off this. Okay, so now that I have selected my wall, let me just go back to my properties and check everything is in touch in here. So I'll go on to draw my walls. So my first one, I'm going to start from this side, and I'm going to give a distance of 50 and 50, 550 in here. Enter, and I'll give another distance of 3,500, and just give me your distance. That's how it goes. So another one, 6,000, and I think I'm also going to move up 3,000 to 2,250, and I'll move up here down this side 2,250. The next one is 3,000, and I'll move up again, and that's going to be 2,250 again. The next is 350. Now I'll now have to join this to this wall. Okay, right, so enter. So now that I have drawn this, I can now go on to draw in my interior wall. So I'll select it, and now to draw your interior wall, I'll now have to give a distance from here to here, which is 2,000, and a distance to this place is actually 3,000. Is it 3050, and I'm going to close it up here. Then I'll select it again, and this time I'm going to start from here, and I'll give it 2,850. So start from here, give a distance of 2,850, 2,850. So it's actually going to start from this side, and a distance of 3,000. Right, so now I can now join it to this side. So I can go ahead and trim this wall. Now I'm left with this. Okay, so let's continue with the rest. I'll select the wall as selected, and now I'm going to draw my kitchen. My kitchen is going to be a distance of 2,750. So I'll give a distance from here 2,750. So this place is my kitchen, and I'll give a distance of 900 to the side. Alright, so enter, then I select it again. So I'm going to go on with mine. There's another room in here that I want to bring, so which is going to be 2,350, 2,250, 2,250 on here, and a distance of 1,400. Right, so this, then I'll join it to that, and I select it again. I'm also going to draw another wall. Start from here, drag, give some 2,000. Now I'll also go back here and join it to this wall. So join, and selected, another distance of 2,000, drag 2,000, and then also join it to this wall. and click. So both my bathrooms has been created. Okay, so now I think I can go on with the rest. This has to be 1400 from this side. Okay, and 1400. Now I need to give a distance of 2000, 1, 2, 3, which is this place. So I will now go on to trim this wall. So trim, and also trim this wall. Okay, so now I can also trim this wall again and give a distance of 2600 from here. I'm looking for a little, so I selected a distance of 2000. Check 2000. So 2000. Let me see. Yes, it's actually 2600. So this is going to be here. Okay, and I will trim off. Oh, let me make it 2000. Select. I selected. I'll make it 2000. Let's see, 2003. And trim. Alright. So I'm having my distance in here. So I think I can go on with the rest. Check something here. So let me take the distance from here to here. I want it to be something from here. That's 3250. Now from here to that side. And this is also 2000. Okay, if 2000, I think I would like to push this somewhere a little bit. So delete this, and now I'll click on this wall. I'll select it and give a distance of, only give a distance of 900. So 900. The wall start from here, and I'll make it I think making it 900 will be okay. We'll make it 1000. Alright, so this is okay. So I'm done with this place, and now let me go on with it. So I also have a room in here, which I'm actually going to make it 3000, and no, I think I'll make it I'll make it 4150. So select the wall, click, and give a distance from this side. So make it 4150. Now click. It's now starting from this side. Okay, I'll click here. Now push this back. Okay, now I can select the wall I selected, right, and now pick it from here and give a distance of 1000. Right, so now that I have my 1000, I'll also give a distance of 900 here. Or let me see, I'll just clean up this and use the line here and give a distance of, let me check. So select the wall I selected. From here, give a distance of 5,000, 50, and also this place is going to be 3,900, and move up till you get to this line. Alright, so click and click. Okay, now my master bedroom is now done. And push this out a little bit to make it 1,000. So 1,000 here. I'm going to trim this wall. So trim this wall, and we are left with this. Okay, so let's go on. I think I'm done. This is how it's actually going to look like. So let me give, I think I'll draw a wall in here. Let me use a line. So 1,000, no, cancel that. Select similar. This time I'm going to push it down here. I'll start from here and pick to this side. Now draw a distance of 1,000. So I'm done with this. I'll do same in here. Alright, so just drag this. I'll make an opening here, and also I selected and click. Now let it be somewhere here. Click and give a distance of 1,000 again. 2, 3. Okay, I can go up. Now join it to this wall, but there's going to be an open that place. Okay, so now that our walls, all our walls have been drawn, we can now go on to add in our doors and openings. So to add in an opening, I'll click on this wall and use the opening. Click here, and there is another opening in here, which is actually going to be 1,000 from that wall. So click this place, click, and I'm also going to click this place because I have an opening. I'm just add it to this place. Okay, so can I go on and stretch it all over to this place? Just select. Alright, and stretch this back a little bit. Okay, push this to that side. Where is it going? To here. I don't know why it's. Let me just move put it here, and let's see if it's going to work. So right now this place actually worked, and I'll drag this back somewhere here. Okay, so I have my opening in here, and there is another opening from this side of the wall. So check. Okay, it's actually okay here, and I'll move back here. Now I will add selected to this place and just put it in the middle. Alright, so with this I'm going to drag it and make sure that it's actually in line with this wall, and click, and also drag this, make sure it's actually also in line with this wall. Okay, so we are actually going to make it. And okay, now that our openings have been created, it's now time for us to add in our windows and doors. So let's see how it looks like right now. So I'll select all the openings and give a distance of 3000. That's the height. I'll make it 3000 going to be okay, which is going to be up. Okay, let me just make it 2800, and this is how it looks like. So realistic view, let's see what we are getting. So this is what we are getting now. Alright, so now that our openings have been created, I think we can go on with the rest. So go back to your 2D wireframe and click top. So but first, let me change the line of my opening here. So look for a wall opening. Change from continuous to hidden. Okay, now I think I'm done. Can change. Okay, so now that I have picked my opening, I can now go on to add my windows. So with the windows, I like here to be so I'll go back to my 2 palette and corner windows. I'll select corner windows. Okay, now I'll put it somewhere here, and okay, no, so select it again, corner windows, click. Alright, so now I can now go on to drag to expand it. I want it to touch this place, and this is also going to touch somewhere here. I'm not going to go that far. 18,000, then 10,000, 20,000, or 30,000. No, sorry, it's going to be 30. Sorry, 30. Or 25. It's going to be okay. And this is okay. And let me check the height, because I would like to make it so don't touch. So I'll go back to my and change the height to 3000. Or 2600, yes, because that's the total height of the wall. And with the silt height going to be 0. So now start from here, and now I want to add a design in here. So I'll go back, so I'll click on edit style and look for display property model, click here, mount, yes, and now add. I would like to add one and add one to check. Wait. Oh, it worked. Let me check and see. Okay, it worked. So now this is what we are getting, and I would like to add another corner window to here, but this time around it's going to be a height of 150. A height of 150 in here. So we'll go back to my 2. Then I'll click on top. After clicking on top, I can now go on to add in my corner window. So select, this time I'll add selected again and click here. Now you can see it exceeds what I actually want, so I'll now need to adjust it. So this is going to be somewhere here, because I'll give a distance from, so this place is going to be, check, so it's supposed to be 900. Okay, so it's going to be somewhere here, or I'll make it 800. Check, 800. It's going to be here, or I can still make it, let me use this distance, the distance from here, so this to this place 750. So let me make it 750. So from here to here 750, and we are here. And now can I click here, click on it and adjust now, so pull it back downward to match it, and we are good to go. I will also make this one 3000. So select, and now give a distance of 3000. So 1 2 3, so meaning it's going to be somewhere in here. It's going to be, just make this be somewhere here is going to be okay, because I would like it to be adjusted with this wall, right? So now my corner windows have been fixed, but this is a steady room, so it's not going to touch the ground. So I'll change the height of it. So properties, I'll make this 2500, or I'll make it 2000 is okay, 2000. And now with the silt height, it's going to be 1000. Currently set at 0 to 1000, 1 2 3, click here, 1000, 1 2 3, so it's here, or 1200 to make a little bit. Okay, so now I have this. Back to realistic and see how it looks like. So this is what we have gotten so far. It's looking okay, looking nice, yeah. It's looking beautiful, really beautiful in here. So I have realized that I haven't gotten my door, but there is supposed to be a door in here, somewhere here, so I need to fix it. Click to the, let me just select and go back to my design tool palette. This time I'll go to the window assembly. So the door window assembly, I cannot go on to select the ones with doors in it. Come here, where is the one with doors? Okay, this is okay. Then apply. Let me just select this and see something. Let me go with this. Let me delete this in. So here, just delete it and put in and bring in this. Sorry, why is it select? Just push somewhere here. So push this. So let me go with scroll up till you find the standard, and now I'll put this one here. Alright, so I'll now have to fix this. Yeah, and this is also looking good, so I'll do the distance. So select and select this to do the distance of height of 3,600, and the sales height is going to be on 0 at 3,600. Okay, now it has been fixed. So let me head back to the realistic view and see how it's looking like. Okay, so this is what we got. This is what we actually got, and it's already looking okay. It's already looking nice from my point of view. Okay, so now let's go on to, I think I'll just reduce the size and make it 2,200, and with the head 2,300, and I think this is okay for me. So now that we are done with this, we can now go on and add in the rest of the doors. So click on top. Now I'm done with this, so we can add in the rest of the doors. So select doors. So doors, this time I'm going to use this single hinge light. The width is going to be 600, so going to be 900, and the height is going to be 2200, or 238. So yeah, this is okay. So I can now fix in my doors. There's one door in here, so as you can see, I'm actually having a glitch in here. So now for me to fix it, I will now need to reduce the size of the door. So click on the door and reduce it to 800 or less. So now we are having this, click, and also this, and also click. So you can see we are still getting a glitch here. So I'll click here and just expand it a little bit, move it a little bit so that we actually can get what you want. So move, and now move it somewhere here. Okay, so this is what we are actually getting. So we can go on to add in the rest of the doors. There's a door here too, so I'll select similar, I'll select it, and now I'll place it somewhere here, and now expand this, drag it out a little bit, so you will be getting something like this. Okay, so now that our doors have been fixed, we can now go on to add the rest of the doors too. There's a door here. For this is a washroom, this is also a washroom. So I selected, but this time I'm going to be 750. So 750, and come here and I'll put it here, and also come here and put in this door, because there is a door here too. Okay, all right. So I think I'll make some changes in here. So click delete, and now drag this to meet this wall, and now I can also drag this wall so that it will be in between this. So alright, so I can now add selected again. Now this door is going to be placed in here, and there is going to be a door in here too. Alright, okay, alright, so I'll now push this back a little to this place, but I'll change this door. I'll make it a baffle, maybe baffle. So apply to door. Oh, let me just go here and select my doors from here. So doors. Now I like to put in either baffle double. So I like to put in this or this. So I'll use this and apply. And just select, click, and apply to selected. So it's going to be here. Oh no, sorry. This door rather. Click and right click and apply to selected. Oh, I think I should make it double. Let me use this. Okay, and this is cool, but I'll change it size to 100, and it's okay. So we can now go ahead and add in our windows. So to add in our windows, the same process. We are going to go back to two palettes, this time windows, blinder, and properties. Now change it to, I'll make it 15 by 15. So 15 by 15, say 15 by 15. Alright, the sizes in here are all standard sizes that we are actually using, so it's not going to be a problem in here. And so 15 by 15, there is a door here. I'm placing one window here, that's for the kitchen, and another window here. But this window is going to be amazing, so place another window here, and can now go on to use my window. Click this and I'll reduce this window and make it 900. Property and width 900. Alright, so this is what, but you can see I'm actually having two windows, so delete one. And I'll add this selected, or I'll go back to my two palette. This time Alwyn, and then I'll make it. So the width is currently, so I'll make this 1000 or 900. Make it 900, and the height is going to be 600. So I'll place them in here. I'll put one in here, and the rest to here. Okay, I think that's what I'll do for now. So enter, and now I think I'll add this somewhere here. Add selected. I'll add it to this room and adjust it. So click, and we are good to go. Okay, so we have this window here, and that's also there. So we are done with our building. Actually, we are done with the building. It's very simple to do. Alright, So go back a little bit and see, because I actually want it to be in line with this, that's why. Okay, so that we can get a colony here. Okay, so let's head back to our 2D, our realistic view, and let's see how it goes. It looks, sorry. So this is what we are actually getting from what we did. It's already looking nice. It's already looking okay. Yes, the house is already looking okay. I actually like this design. So now we need to pull this up a little bit. So we're actually going to put it somewhere around 1550. So elevation, the sill height is going to be around 1600. 1600 is okay. That's where I actually want it to be. Yes, it's okay for me. So I will now head back to the wireframe and now go on to draw my roof for this building. So to draw our roof for this building, we are actually going to use the roof slab. Click on the roof slab. Now we start to draw from here to here. Now we move up to this place, and we are now here. Come back here. Just click on the edges of the walls so that you won't do anything stupid in there. Alright, so click and enter. Now our roof has now been created for us, but you can see it's actually way far from what we actually wanted. So click on it, and the slope, we will do the slope to 1, and now this the height, pivot height, or the elevation is going to be on 2600. Now we will now need to adjust it. We pull this to fit somewhere here, and do same for the rest. So this is also going to be somewhere here. So click, and we are done. I think there's another one here, so we fix it too. So click, and we are done with our building. Very simple and easy to do. So this is how our building is currently looking like. This is how it looks like right now. Let me go to, let me use the conceptual so we can see it well. So that's how it looks like. It's looking amazing right now. So let me just fix this to end. So to fix it, click on this, click, select similar. So to select all the walls, then click on roof line, modify, and auto project A, and now select object, click and enter. Now we are done. Click, and now to draw our slab, we will now just go on to draw a slab around it. So to draw your slab, all what you need to do is to come back to the roof slab, and right this time I'm going to the slab. So the same process, you're also going to draw around your building. Select, now click here, and this place that place, this edge. Now go back to this edge, and now to that edge. Now can I click on, press C to close it. Now enter. So our slab has now been created. So let's go and see how it looks like. So this is how our building is currently looking like. It's sort of amazing. Very simple house in here. Simple and easy to design. So let me use, I think there is a wall here that we can use, can replace with this wall. So wall was can also replace this wall with something like, let's see what we can play with. It looks similar. Click, come here and apply to selected. So our wall is now this wall. The house is looking pretty good. Pretty good. It's looking pretty good. So this is how to draw your 3D models in AutoCAD. Kindly like and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so. And don't forget to share and comment on the next video that you want or you like us to tackle in this channel. Okay, so let me just add in some floor slabs. So go back here and click here. And I'll use a normal rectangle tool. So click and just bring it somewhere here. So this is okay now. And then I'll now convert this to a slab. So slab, I click apply to line work. Now select it, enter, yes, enter, D, enter, T, and enter. Now you can click it. It has now converted to a slab. So I like to change the size. Right now it's already 2000, so I'll make it 150. Or I can divide it and make it a half of 250. So half of 250 is going to be, that's 125. So change it with 125. The derivations is going to start from 125. Oh no, it's okay. Let me see what we are getting here. So this is what we are actually getting. So the properties, elevation to 125. It has moved up. So 0. I don't want us to see. Let's see 100. I don't want us to see this thing in here. elevation has to be at 0, so minus 100, so that it will fit with it. Was there? Oh, I think I should go a little bit again. Click, and now change it to minus 550. Let's see. Yes, this is okay. Now you can actually see it. So this is what we are getting now. Like similar. This fake upper. CB. Line to selected. Now we now have a brick wall. Just you can just go on to just play with it, and pick the one that you think will fit your project. So just go on, play with it. Just go for the one that will fit your project. Okay, so this is what I'm actually having in here. So it's very simple to design a 3D model, or to create a 3D model in AutoCAD right now. Very simple. Can just change the walls again. I'm actually looking for a particular wall, but I'm not getting it. I actually can't remember where that wall is being placed. Check this. Okay, this is looking to be okay. It's white and the texture is not that good, but I think we can manage it. Or let's just change it to back to the brick form. The brick is also looking okay, so let me just put it in the brick. So select similar, and now click bricks. Alright, the bricks are also looking so good. So alright, so this is what we are getting in our AutoCAD model. Okay, so thank you for watching again, and don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel as I said. Okay, see you in the next video. Like this. Alright, see you in the next video. Bye.